So it's amazing. I tried to go paperless for 40 years. We tried everything. We tried scanning. We tried to do anything where we could just load it in the computers. Nothing ever worked. A lot of our jobs are hard, where we do straight hauls, back hauls, standby. So it's hard to get all the times in and make sure the drivers document it. And it was just a life-changing thing when I guess my wife found DumpTek, and then my son was working on it, and I kept thinking it wouldn't work, and now I'm probably the best proponent because I deal with it every day. We can look up the tickets now by driver, by job, by day, by truck. So if we need to find something, we can have it in less than 5 seconds. My payroll can find it. I'm doing 2 less people in my office now handling the paperwork. We don't have to go through, we don't have to sort it, we don't have to add the tickets anymore. It's just nice and clean. We do a lot of work. Currently we have 70 trucks all over the state of Arizona. We even have a job in Nevada right now. We have all of our paperwork in here. We even are starting on the afternoon now sometime. If we know the job is done, we just print the tickets right there. And if guys have time, we get a jump on it. But all of our stuff is billed by 11 o'clock the next morning. We have all the paperwork. It's not an issue. So my name is Alan Otto with Auto Trucking. We started using DumpTek almost a year ago, and it's life-changing. I would recommend it, that anybody uses it. It's simple. The drivers like it. We save a lot of time in our office. The tickets are clean. We can find them by job, by truck number, by driver, by day. We don't ever have to go searching. Once in a while, even if the driver writes the wrong date on it, we can usually find it right away. Before, we'd have to go searching. If payroll has a question, did so-and-so work, we can just go look at his DumpTek and see, yeah, he worked 8 hours that day. We're just missing his time card or something. So it's life-changing. It takes so much effort out of doing our billing. We do 150 trucks. A lot of those trucks do 2-3 jobs a day. We are completely billed by 11 o'clock in the morning. It's just a non-event, and I would not run a trucking company without DumpTek right now.